Welcome to the TopPick lab. The best Raptor Liner is probably one of the most versatile and durable truck bed coating solutions available on the market today, offering a robust protective layer that shields your vehicle's bed from scratches, impacts, and harsh weather conditions, ensuring longevity and maintaining its aesthetic appeal even under the most demanding use cases. This advanced formula not only enhances the look of your truck but also provides a practical, long-lasting defense against the wear and tear of daily hauling and off-road adventures, making it a top choice for truck owners seeking superior protection and a professional finish. Number 5. MyLifeUNIT Assorted Masking Paper Tape and Drape. Introducing our versatile masking paper, designed for a wide range of applications. It's perfect for automotive painting, equipment coverage, and protecting your appliances. Crafted from high-density, environmentally friendly PE material, this film is 0.7 mm thick. It's not only tear-resistant but also offers a premium dust-proof effect, ensuring your items stay clean. The pre-taped design allows for effortless application, even on walls and high cabinets. Once positioned, the film stays put, protecting your surfaces from dust and paint. Our convenient roll design allows for quick unfolding and covering of various items. You can easily cut the plastic tape to the desired length for any project. This product includes 3 convenient sizes, 22 inches x 66 feet, 43 inches x 66 feet, and 59 inches x 66 feet rolls, providing the perfect fit for any task. Whether you're painting your car or redecorating your home, this masking paper is your go-to solution. It effectively protects furniture, appliances, and more from dust and pigment. What we like. This product offers a lightweight and tear-resistant protective film, ideal for automotive painting and general coverage. Its pre-taped masking film makes application on walls and high cabinets a breeze. If you are looking for a versatile masking solution for various painting and protection needs, this is a great choice. What people say. The Raptor Liner kit is a great product for truck bed lining. It is easy to apply and provides a durable finish. The kit comes with everything you need to get the job done. Number 4. Raptor Liner Kit, Spray-On Truck Bed Liner. Introducing the Raptor Liner Kit, a tough and long-lasting 2K urethane coating. It's designed to resist stains, scratches, rust, and extreme temperatures, all while staying flexible. Its UV-resistant formula ensures it won't fade, providing a durable, professional finish for your vehicle. Enjoy reduced road noise and vibration thanks to its flexible nature. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need to get started, covering a 6 feet to 8 foot truck bed. You'll find multiple bottles of black bed liner base and hardener, along with instructions. Applying it is simple, just fill, shake, and shoot with the included spray gun. You can also roll or brush for custom textures, and it bonds exceptionally well to surfaces. The rapid drying formula means you can apply multiple coats in just an hour. This allows for a quick and efficient application process, getting you back on the road faster. Create a waterproof, corrosion-resistant, and impact-proof barrier for more than just truck beds. It's perfect for undercoatings, trailers, boats, and other applications needing heavy-duty protection. Trust in Raptor's expertise as world leaders in automotive refinishing. Their specialized products are designed for driving surface perfection, ensuring the best results for your vehicle. What we like. This kit provides a tough, long-lasting, and flexible urethane coating that resists stains, scratches, and rust. It's easy to apply with the included spray gun or can be rolled brushed for custom textures. If you need a durable, waterproof, and corrosion-resistant barrier for your truck bed or other surfaces, this is the one to consider. What people say. The Raptor Liner Kit is a great product for truck bed lining. It is easy to apply and provides a durable finish. The kit comes with everything you need to get the job done. Number 3. Raptor Tintable Truck Bed Liner Kit, 4 liter. Introducing the Raptor 821 Truck Bed Liner Kit. It's designed to be 10 times tougher than other bed liners, providing superior protection for your truck bed. This liner isn't just for truck beds. It can be easily applied to almost any surface, including metal, plastic, wood, and concrete. Let your creativity guide you. Applying it is simple, and you have a variety of finishes to choose from. Achieve the look you desire with minimal effort. For smaller projects, we now offer convenient 2K aerosols. This makes it even easier to get a professional finish on any area. Our kit is specifically designed to cover the average truck bed, ensuring you have enough product for a complete and durable coating. Whether you prefer a classic black or want to explore tintable options, the possibilities are endless. Make it uniquely yours. What we like. This liner is exceptionally tough, offering 10 times the durability of other bed liners and can be applied to almost any surface. It also provides the flexibility of a tintable finish, allowing for custom colors. If you're seeking maximum toughness and the ability to customize the look of your truck bed or other projects, this is an excellent option. What people say. The Raptor Liner kit is a great product for truck bed lining. It is easy to apply and provides a durable finish. The kit comes with everything you need to get the job done. Number 2. TCP Global Air Undercoating Spray Gun. This tool is perfect for a wide range of automotive tasks. Apply rust proofing, undercoating, chip guard, and truck bed liners with ease. Achieve the perfect finish every time. Its precise design allows for control over different viscosities and textures. Built with a robust aluminum alloy body and an easy grip trigger, it's designed for comfort during extended use. It easily accepts standard 1-quart bottles. Get started quickly with your preferred coatings. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, this tool provides reliable performance for all your coating needs. What we like. This pneumatic spray gun is designed for versatile application of various coatings, including truck bed liners and undercoatings. It offers precise texture control and features a durable, comfortable design for extended use. If you are a DIY enthusiast or professional looking for a reliable tool to apply sprayable coatings with control, this gun is a solid choice. What people say. The Raptor Liner kit is a great product for truck bed lining. It is easy to apply and provides a durable finish. The kit comes with everything you need to get the job done. Number 1. Raptor Black Urethane Spray-On Truck Bed Liner Kit. Introducing the Raptor Black Urethane Spray-On Truck Bed Liner Kit. This protective coating is designed for tailgates and trucks, offering superior vehicle undercoating. It comes as a convenient 2-quart kit. This 2K urethane coating is built to last. It resists stains, scratches, rust, and extreme temperatures, all while staying flexible to reduce noise and vibration. Its UV-resistant formula ensures it won't fade, providing a durable, professional finish. Everything you need is in this kit. It includes black bed liner base, hardener, and a spray gun. Simple instructions are also provided for easy application. Applying it is simple: fill, shake, and shoot with the included spray gun. You can also roll or brush for custom textures. Its rapid drying formula allows for multiple coats in just an hour. Create a waterproof, corrosion-resistant, and impact-proof barrier for various applications. It's designed to withstand heavy-duty use, preventing rust, chemical damage, and wear. Trust Raptor, the world leaders in automotive refinishing. We specialize in driving surface perfection with a wide range of comprehensive products, including this exceptional truck bed liner. What we like. This kit features a tough, long-lasting urethane coating that resists extreme conditions and stays flexible. It comes complete with a spray gun for easy application and boasts a rapid drying formula for quick recoating. If you're looking for a comprehensive kit to quickly and effectively apply a durable, professional-looking finish to your truck bed or other areas, this is a great solution. What people say. The Raptor Liner kit is a great product for truck bed lining. It is easy to apply and provides a durable finish. The kit comes with everything you need to get the job done. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.